In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Mautic. By the end, you'll know how to send a one-off email to a single contact or to multiple contacts, either by writing your own HTML or by using a template you've already created. Start by opening your Mautic login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your email and password, then click Login. Make sure you're using your own secure credentials and only sign in on a trusted device. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Contacts. This is where all the people you can email are listed. If you want to send to a single person, click their name to open their profile. If you need to reach several people with the same message, use the checkboxes to select multiple contacts right from the list. Keep in mind that the email you compose will be sent to every selected contact, so choose carefully. With a contact open, click Send Email. This opens the email composer. Start with your subject line. Keep it clear, concise, and aligned with the message you're sending. Aim for something specific and useful so recipients immediately understand the value. If you already use personalization tokens in Mautic, this is a good place to apply them for a more tailored subject. Next, decide how you want to build the message body. If you have a ready-made HTML design, paste the HTML code into the editor. Use clean, responsive HTML for the best rendering across different email clients, and avoid relying on heavy external styles. Double-check links, alt text for images, and any tracking parameters you're including. If you'd rather not code, you can pull in an existing template. Click the template drop-down in the composer, then select the template you want to use. Templates are great for consistency and speed. They typically include your branding, structure, and common sections, so all you need to do is tweak the content and links for this send. Before you send, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the recipient or recipients, scan the subject line for typos, and ensure the message looks the way you expect. When you're satisfied, click Send. Mautic will dispatch the email to the selected contact or contacts individually, and depending on your configuration, it can track opens and clicks for reporting. That's all there is to it. You logged in, opened contacts, selected one or more recipients, composed your subject and content using either HTML or a saved template, and sent the message. Thanks for watching and happy sending with Mautic.